of OpenAI and frontier models, we're able to add a new level of working to make everyone more efficient and valuable for their company. OpenAI has finally introduced a highly anticipated feature that many ChatGPT users have been eagerly waiting for. This new update allows people to connect ChatGPT to their own internal knowledge databases, making it even smarter and more useful right now. This feature is available only to those using ChatGPT Team, which is one of the company's paid plans during this beta phase. These users can directly link their company's private information to ChatGPT. Many businesses believe this will help the AI provide better answers. This new ability makes it possible for users to search through their internal data in a more advanced way. ChatGPT can now look up relevant information from company records, link directly to important sources, and deliver responses that are more accurate and up-to-date. It also helps ChatGPT understand the unique language that companies use, making conversations feel more natural and precise. Right now, ChatGPT Team admins can connect Google Drive to the platform, which is a big step forward, but this is just the beginning. Nate Gonzalez, a product manager at OpenAI, recently shared on LinkedIn that the team is already working on adding more options soon. ChatGPT will be able to connect with even more internal systems, including data analytics platforms and customer relationship management tools. One of the most exciting aspects of this update is how ChatGPT will learn the special way each company communicates over time. It will understand project names, acronyms, and other unique terms at the same time. It will respect user permissions, ensuring that only the right people have access to certain information. Gonzalez even mentioned that at OpenAI they love using their own secret project names, which makes this feature even more exciting. This new capability is a game changer for businesses. It allows teams to quickly find the information they need, ensures that AI responses are always based on real knowledge, and makes ChatGPT a more powerful and personalized tool. As OpenAI continues to expand this feature, companies will have even more ways to make ChatGPT work for them, making everyday tasks easier, faster, and more efficient with all these. Have you ever thought of what this AI can do for your business? Let's find out. The feature's effects on businesses by allowing users to connect their own internal knowledge databases. ChatGPT Team is becoming even more valuable, especially for those who already rely on it for strategic advice and analysis. Now, when people ask ChatGPT for insights, they can get responses that are based on their company's own data. This makes conversations more meaningful and ensures that AI-powered chats are not just generic but specifically tailored to the user's needs. It's no surprise that many companies with AI-driven platforms, chatbots, and virtual assistants see their ability to use internal knowledge as a major advantage. This is also why enterprise search, the ability to quickly find relevant information within a company's systems, is becoming a fast-growing part of the AI industry. More and more businesses want AI tools. There are already companies working to improve this kind of AI-powered search. Glean, for example, has created a system that helps businesses find information quickly using AI. Meanwhile, ServiceNow has recently acquired Moveworks, a company known for its strong enterprise search capabilities. This move is aimed at making it even easier for businesses. OpenAI is also taking steps in this direction. It already allows users to upload documents directly from Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive, making it simple to pull information into ChatGPT. Google is doing something similar by integrating Gemini AI into its workspace tools, so users can ask questions about their work. While inside a document, another company, Perplexity, has also added a feature that lets people use their internal documents as a knowledge source for AI-powered responses. With all these developments, AI is becoming a more powerful tool for businesses. Instead of just answering general questions, AI models are learning to provide insights based on real company data. This shift is making AI assistants more than just helpful, and they are becoming important partners in decision and productivity. As more companies adopt these features, the way businesses use AI will continue to evolve, making work faster, smarter, and more efficient. By leveraging AI-powered tools, companies can streamline processes, enhance productivity, and make better informed decisions. One of the most notable benefits of integrating ChatGPT with internal knowledge bases is improved knowledge management. Employees no longer have to spend excessive time searching for documents or policies. Instead, they can ask ChatGPT natural language questions and receive instant relevant responses. This approach enhances efficiency by ensuring that staff members have quick access to crucial company information, enabling them to complete tasks more effectively. Businesses that implement AI-driven knowledge management systems are seeing a significant reduction in time wasted on manual searches and improved all-round workflow. Another critical advantage is enhanced customer support. Companies that integrate ChatGPT into their customer service platforms can provide instant, accurate, and consistent responses to inquiries. This reduces the burden on human agents and allows them to focus on complex customer issues. While the AI handles repetitive queries, the result is faster response times and higher customer satisfaction. Organizations using AI-driven support systems have reported fewer customer complaints and improved service ratings due to the efficiency of automated responses. Internal communications within businesses are also benefiting from this technology. ChatGPT can assist employees in understanding company policies, procedures, and operational guidelines more effectively. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and reduces miscommunication within organizations. Some businesses have already adopted AI tools to help employees navigate internal documentation, which has led to better compliance with company regulations. In a more informed workforce, employees have expressed appreciation for the convenience of having AI-powered assistants readily available beyond communication. ChatGPT is playing a crucial role in strategic decision-making. Businesses that integrate AI with their internal data sources gain deeper insights into company trends, and performance. AI-powered analysis can identify patterns in large data sets, enabling management to make data-driven decisions. Executives are using ChatGPT to generate reports, forecasts, and strategic recommendations that align with their business goals. This has led to more accurate planning and improved adaptability in dynamic market conditions. Proper regulation and use. OpenAI has explained that the way data controls work will not be the same for everyone. Some users will have different options depending on the size of their team. For instance, only administrators have the power to add data connectors. However, smaller teams have more flexibility. Regular users in these groups can decide when ChatGPT should access internal knowledge and which drives it can pull information from. But for bigger teams, things work differently. In those cases, it's up to the administrator to determine which shared Google Drives can be used. With ChatGPT, the AI has been designed to know when to use connected data sources for many common types of questions, but users still have control. They can manually select internal knowledge when composing a message. If they want ChatGPT to pull information from their company's data, one of the most important things OpenAI has promised is that ChatGPT will fully respect existing permissions and security settings. If someone does not have access to a specific drive or document, they cannot force ChatGPT to read it. This ensures that sensitive or private information remains protected and that only those with proper access can retrieve company data. These new controls make sure that businesses can use AI in a way that is both powerful and secure. With the right settings in place, companies can take full advantage of ChatGPT's capabilities while keeping their internal knowledge safe. How to make use of this feature? I recently shared a video demonstration showing exactly how this new feature works in ChatGPT team. There is now a special option called Internal Knowledge that appears right below the text box where users type their prompts. By selecting this option, people can see which internal sources have been connected right now. That includes Google Drive. Imagine you need details about an internal project your company is working on. You simply ask ChatGPT and it immediately searches through the relevant files after going through all the necessary documents. It responds with a clear explanation, listing key points and even providing links to the original files at use. It doesn't just stop there, it actually makes sure you get exactly what you need by asking if you'd like more details or have any follow-up questions. Now let's say you tell ChatGPT that you're preparing for a big product demo the next day and need a script to present everything smoothly. Instantly, the AI gets to work creating a well-structured script for you. It starts with a warm opening statement, then guides you through the demo step by step, highlighting the most important selling points of the product. Finally, it wraps things up with a solid closing statement. But the best part, ChatGPT doesn't just leave you with a script, it goes even further. It actually asks if you'd like it to find relevant slides or images to make your demo even better. This means no more scrambling to gather materials at the last minute. The AI helps put everything together so you can focus on delivering a flawless presentation. This update isn't just about making ChatGPT smarter. It's about making work easier, faster, and way more efficient, instead of spending hours digging through files, writing scripts, and organizing presentations. You now have a powerful assistant that does all of that for you in seconds. OpenAI is taking AI to a whole new level, and this is just the beginning. Can you imagine how much time and effort this will save? It's like having a personal assistant who already knows everything about your company and is always ready to help if you've made it this far. Let us know what you think in the comments section below for more interesting topics. Make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.